Hello everyone. 29 new ways to wear a French manicure. Well, everyone is busy with her Holland Weber glossed donut nails. Sometimes you can't beat a classical French manicure might seem like a 19 or a 2000 trend come back to haunt us, but really it never went away. After all, if you take a look at the sparring nail trends from the most recent runway shows, you will see the French tipped nails ordered many model hands. Nuts nails are a classical standby, but adding a white tips to the end with instantly make you can the trend setter of the group. You get bounce point if you incorporate one of your favorite winter nail polish with the manicure. Here found 29 French manicure ideas you will want to bring to your manicurist ASAP. Color black. Much like the original, this variation of a French many lines on a classical strong line the extent the nail stop. What make it more modern are the different colors on the each nails. The thinker block of colors and the metal top coast rainbow way. If you can decide on the polish color you do not have with this design. Each nail pairs a darker and a lighter color, plus the V-shaped point job helps visually alone in the in nails. Multicolored sword pointed in a non-uniform pattern give out a retro 16 waves. This look will be just as